Hello everyone, welcome back. So yesterday we have started chapter 1 revision Super 6 and the lost treasure. We have revised the chapter and I have given you some exercises. Now today is a turn of solving those exercises. Okay, the first one. I have given the true and false. And it is given in your book also, so those who are having the books can directly fill in their books. The first one is the Super 6 are at the beach. So yes, it is true. Second, it is a cloudy day. Do you think it was a cloudy day? It's false. Why? Because at the starting of this chapter, we came to know that Buddy was thinking that it's a perfect day to be at beach because the sky is clear and the sun is shining. Remember? So, which means that it was a perfect sunny day. It was not a cloudy day. So, this one is false. Then Suman is building a tree house. If you remember, on page number 10, there was a picture where Suman was making a sand castle and not a tree house. So this one is also false. Fourth one, there is a bottle half buried in the sand. So yes, this is definitely true. And who saw that bottle? You must remember Uzma saw that bottle. Okay. Fifth one is they find a scroll with a picture of a box. So what was inside the scroll? What was there? A picture of a box was drawn. I hope you all remember that the scroll had the information about the hidden treasure. So this one is definitely wrong. And the last one is the water is muddy and dirty. If you remember, when Super 6 divided themselves for the clue of X, so we saw that Rio, when he flew above the sea, and for the clue, in the middle of the ocean, he saw that the ocean was totally polluted, was very polluted, and he became very upset. So this one is true, that the water is muddy and dirty. Next one which you have is write down two things that come to your mind when you read these words. As I've told you yesterday, that sky. When I read this word sky, two things which came in my mind in my mind was high and blue. So I have written. So whatever came into your mind, you can write that also, but it should match with the noun. So that's why I've told you to think about the adjective or the quality of these nouns. So it will be easy for you and you will be right also. Then second one is water. So this colorless and tasteless. Then beach, you can write sandy and cloudy. Then bottle, glass, colorful, you can write many more things like a small bottle, okay, big, or plastic bottle, you can write anything. Then ocean, white and blue, trees, green and tall. Apart from these, you can write any two things or which you want. And the last one is this one is very easy, very simple. I hope you all have done it very carefully and correctly. Here are some words begin with C. You have to match these words with their correct meaning. So the first one I have already told you yesterday, season, which is very easy, is spring, summer, monsoon and winter. Second one is seaside. So seaside means it is an area on the coastal side, especially one where people go on holidays and on vacations. So you can see that option D goes very well with seaside. It says an area by the sea that people go to for a holiday. So the D one is correct. So we will mark number 2 here. Then third one, seafood. Seafood, you can say fish and shellfish that um, the sea that can be eaten. It is a seafood. So you can see that F1, fish and sea creatures that can be eaten like shellfish is given over here. So the F1 is 3. Then fourth one, seasick. Seasick means feeling sick because of the movement of boat or ship. When someone travels and that person feels sick because of the movement of boat and the ship, so that is called the seasick. So you can see number B. B1 is feeling ill when you are traveling in a boat or ship. Goes very well with this. So number 4 you will write over here. B1. Then seagull. Seagull is a bird that lives near the sea. So number C will be fifth one. Then sixth, seaweed. Seaweed is a plant that grow inside the sea. So number A, a plant that grows in the sea or on rocks beside it. So sixth one is this. Those who have done the answers, please check your answers, match your answer with this one. Thank you.